Forget for a second every time Hollywood has failed. When it was too violent or too sexy, too conservative, too liberal, too simple, too arty, and just remember how great it can be. I mean, how many of you thought you could take on the world after you saw Rocky or Karate Kid, depending on your generation? How many of you believed in true love after Casablanca or Love Story or Titanic? How could you not be inspired to do anything after Field of Dreams? How could you not thank the world for your existence after George Bailey runs through Bedford Falls thanking the world for his? And how could you not believe that if you just reached hard enough, just concentrated long enough, that the Force would help you move the TV controller from the table to your hand without getting up off the couch?
Our movie, which art on screen, hallowed be thy name. Thy time has come, thy will be shown in theaters as well as home. Give us this day our daily film, and forgive our bad choices as we forgive those whose movies were so bad to choose. And lead us not unto television, but deliver us from that evil. For movies are the picture and the sound and the greatest thing in the whole wide world forever and ever.
Movies rule.